Hello everyone, welcome to another update. This is days 13 and you are looking at the tomato seedlings. As you can see, the leaves are getting broader and they are basically getting taller as well, and you are seeing more leaves. Yes, more leaves are appearing, or more leaves are growing. So uh, this is basically what it looks like at days 13, and I can say that it is growing very fast. And uh, you know tomato has always been a fast grower, and within another couple of weeks these are ready to be transplanted wherever you want to plant them. So thanks for sticking around for this update. I hope you really get some kind of information from this, whether by looking, some of us can basically learn better, from seeing the thing or seeing it happening. So that is one of the purpose of this video, to really show you, do it from start and show you the progress of it. So thank you for viewing, and I'll see you again in another update.